besa, Chabako, Hamayako, Hank Abichina, Boko Ako, Kwako, and no, Hank Abichina, Hami Ishonako, Gumusia, Hebekwami, Ifibisa. Habami, Ella Danka. Ha! 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 Ha!
Bawa abamia kalimama koto bi akogo ama kama ota kalimo masalate isate hamamia shukujia akana bema koto bi akogo azabi ota asekeme
Bebel.
Hama bawa chene etie ena hama kama bita akana bema sindi Hama sindi bamia obama isata chama kwa bago kwa ina amano kota an usepa a ubi na aye bawa ndo bamia kalimoya hama kota a kogobo ubi shaana kota at kogobo at sekeme.
In the heart of Africa's Great Rift Valley, a remarkable tribe known as the Hadzabe has managed to preserve their ancient way of life, virtually unchanged for tens of thousands of years. They are the last remaining true hunter-gatherers on Earth, and their survival is a testament to their deep connection with the land. In this documentary, we embark on a journey deep into the Tanzanian wilderness, to witness the art of hunting with the Hadzabe Tribe, where ancient traditions meet the challenges of the modern world. The Hadzabe live in harmony with nature, their lives intricately woven into the rhythms of the African bush. Their survival depends on their hunting skills, which have been passed down through countless generations. Central to their way of life is the construction of their tools, the bow and arrow. The Hadzabe craft these weapons from the resources the land provides, meticulously honing their skills from a young age.
Bawa hako cheniti ena habuko jele ko ta ko kwaneta obi azabi ota kogobo kwe kadekane gigi kalimona kwe kokomina kwe mama kwate seme ita toa ili ita cheta ulube kukwachane be ili ita cheta ulube iklikwa chana sabit na ili ko chana kalimo akasume do akoto obi usepa a kakata kesa akanabe.
The Hadzabe hunt not for sport or luxury but to secure their daily sustenance. The hunters' knowledge of the land and their prey is unparalleled. Their tracking skills are awe-inspiring, passed down through generations. These hunters are attuned to the subtlest signs in the environment, following tracks and traces, their senses heightened to an astonishing degree. When a hunt is successful, it is a cause for celebration. The Hadzabe's respect for the animals they hunt is profound, and every part of the animal is used to minimize waste. In recent years, the Hadzabe's way of life has been threatened by the encroachment of the modern world. As they grapple with these changes, their ability to continue the traditional practices is at risk.
Let me see. Let me in. Deneko. Deneko.
Makalai.
Makalai
Makalai ala ayako.
Tiki ni nani?
Tiki na lang anak ko.
Aku ya boko ko sasa.
Usumu yako hapo.
Chui za.
Haya. Joshima. 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 Akona chitena.
Chi upa.
Ako chese apo kwa watu katenda.
Lame.
Ayo. Naya.
Lame pusu wo muta.
Putu.
Lame ko pusu muta. Lame apa. Lame na kuwata ako. Kuwata kazi yako. Ale. Bekla ko ni. Lame. Bekla ko.
Boko tu kwa tiku na kon.
Lame na ngo.
Ingi lame.
Chi.
Chigwa kisit omako.
Omako.
Mama ni teka.
Akagete aya ishino ko to bia zabi a egitikwa sana ota akoko bo kalimona ku ikoma hako ka asabita akana be abago aya tete klegeti enando ishino ko ta angoko bo obrota egitikwa sana elita tia ya muama semechane hadzabite aya ta ele aya akena lagu aya tete klegeti ena
Ya mwana akaupita sana ibahaka ibaseme kwa kateba
Aber. Ah. Ah.
Tumi kangot.
Ada oma.
Batas.
Ale kamate.
Alita ko. Si tomako.
Cek oma.
Si tomako.
Ama aya akana be ma shukuji. Hamba shukuji aya obasa ne eko bamia kalimo ama ko to bi akoko bo shabiti na ota akusepa akoko unga aikai. Iba na tene chuta. Aku neta tokele wakete kana kwa.
Check it.
Ale. Ukua kama tone.
Kibe.
No mati takupunja kwa mantulina itibi. Tibi. Upene ono toto zene.
Ai, upepe. Tami.
Akatumi. Be agumamna dis.
Younger Hadza are increasingly exposed to the outside world, bringing new ideas and challenges to their community. The delicate balance between tradition and modernity hangs in the balance. The Hadza's story is one of resilience, adaptability, and the enduring human connection to the natural world. They face significant challenges, but the determination to preserve their culture and traditions remains unwavering.
Hey, Baboon.
Akoko bo ubi chene etsie ena ko ta ku kwama ota usepa anena ota kobo te amesho kena ba tia akana bema sende.
As we conclude our journey with the Hadza, we are reminded of the importance of cultural diversity and the vital role of indigenous communities in preserving our planet's natural heritage. Join us next time as we continue to explore the world's remarkable cultures and the unique ways they connect with their environment.
Basic.